Hi guys. Let's put it up there. These were a gift. These were an absolutely wonderful gift that I got recently, and I want to set this box up to make it a little easier for me to use. Barbara gave me an idea, although I already had kind of figured that one out, on how to make this just a little easier to use. Plus, I realized that the blocks have numbers on them, and what I want to do, and it's going to take a bit of time, and I'm probably not going to do that all on camera, but due to the fact that I know how I will use these blocks, I'll probably never run out, but I never know. And you can buy apparently individual colors. So I am going to, with a permanent marker, I guess I'm going to have to write a little smaller, write what the color number is. We'll just skip the 0. And I did look ahead of time, and I do have my glasses on. But I'm going to go ahead, and I'm not going to do this all on camera. I'm just going to, I was just going to show you what I was going to do. And this is just a permanent marker, and I'm just writing it on. This is a plastic tray. And here's the problem with the plastic tray, is that you have to get it out of here like so. And it's kind of, it's thin, and there's a wonderful cardboard piece on the bottom of it, but it doesn't come out easily. Now once you get it out, you can set it in the lid, and then you have even more sturdy container, but just getting it out is difficult because this piece of cardboard, there's no real finger spots. So, and this is also a separate tray. Now, I'm not going to worry about that because I'll probably never take it out. It's just the top layer that is the problem. Let's set this, we got to set it someplace safe, which means it's got to go all the way to the floor so that it doesn't have a craft-a-lanch. So what I really want to do is, I want to make this top layer have a more sturdy base and have it have something to pull it out. Now Barbara had used some paper to make some tabs. What I am going to do is, I have this wonderful piece of bias tape, and I am going to bias tape this together like so, and just run a piece of bias tape under there. So, you know what, this is all wrinkled on this end. We're just gonna unwrap it and use the unwrinkled end. Irritating me that it's wrinkled. So I am just going to take this with a little hot glue right there and fold it back. Like so. And then I'm going to need another chunk on this side. I'm going to hit it with a little glue. And I would use something else besides hot glue, but that's what's out for another part of this. Okay. So all I need to do is put a little glue. I guess it would work to put my little stand up. This is not the best glue gun. It's old. But it's what I've got, so. Okay, stay there. Stay because, okay, see, it doesn't stay. Don't have time to fiddle. The glue got cold before I got back to it, so. Okay, so now when this is in the tray, it has little tabs to lift it out. Let's put it back in the tray and I'll show you. So see, now it's in the tray. It does have a little bit more height on it. I'm pretty sure the lid will still, yep, this lid still latches closed. I will probably get some, actually I already have some of these lovely little hair bands and make sure it stays closed. They're going to have to go a long ways. Like so. Okay, but here's the thing. I have already decided that when you lift this out, this piece right here could slip off. Okay, so I have another little bit of a plan. And I can't really turn that over to show you, but this plastic has a lip on it right here. Okay. And my plan is to just put, and I am not going to actually glue the piece. I'm going to let this get cool. Just realized you might not be able to see what I was doing. I am just running a bead of glue, kind of making it thick. What I'm sort of doing is building a wall, if that makes any sense at all. That plastic thing is hopefully going to sit over. We're going to hope this works. I'm sort of making a rim, maybe that's what I should call it, is a rim inside all the way around. Okay. Now we just have to let it cool. Okay, now that it's cool, we can set our little tray back over it. Ouch, ouch, I touched the hot glue gun. Okay. Other than that spot right there, I got it a little too far in. Let's see here. That corner was just, I just was a little too messy with the glue on that corner. So we'll just pull it out of there. Perfect. Okay, now not only do I have tabs to lift it out like so and put it into my lid, because when you lift it out, you can put it right in the lid and then you have a nice sturdy tray for it. But it also doesn't want to slide off of there, which is real important to me because I know I'm going to be using these a lot and I want to be able to have them securely put away and secure when I pick this up. This is fabulous. Barbara, I already had an idea to put tabs on there, but I just wanted to show you the other idea I had about putting this cardboard under there. See, now pretty much it stays and makes it a lot easier to get in and out. Okay, guys, let me read you a quote from our 1001 Ways to Creativity, and maybe I'll finish up writing all the little numbers on here. Maybe not. We'll see what I do today. There's my book. And like most, maybe all writers, I learned to write by writing and by example, by reading books. I've read that one before. Well, now that's very interesting. We'll just turn the page and see what's next. Sometimes I think they repeat the quote. It's just a little bit different words or something. Without inspiration, the best powers of the mind remain dormant. There is a fuel in us which needs to be ignited with sparks. Johanna Gottfried von Herder. And I do like that. Without inspiration, the best powers of the mind remain dormant. There is a fuel in us which needs to be ignited with sparks. Okay, guys, go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.